In this video, I'm going to explain how to publish in PubMed. So to actually publish your research paper, your article, whatever you want to do in PubMed, this is actually not possible directly from PubMed, and here's why. Now, if you go to your account, I'm signed in, you can go to your dashboard, you'll see there's actually no way to submit any articles or anything like that. You can go to your publications over here, it's not available anywhere in here either. So this is because PubMed actually doesn't allow direct publishing of articles, and here's how you can actually do it. So first, your article, whatever you're trying to publish, has to be published in a journal indexed for Medline as it states over here, okay? So this article that is of course on the journal indexed for Medline can then be included in PubMed. So there's no way to actually manually submit a manuscript to PubMed unless it's already peer reviewed and accepted by a journal. So the way you can do this, if I explain it really quickly, there's of course a lot of different sources online who can tell you how to do this, but essentially you'll have to choose a journal indexed for Medline. You'll have to submit your manuscript to the journal. So after you do this, they will kind of review it. It's going to be a peer review process, this is called, and then they will publicate or publish the journal, of course, if they decide to do that, and if the manuscript is accepted. And then after this, the journal's publisher will be responsible to submit the accepted manuscript to PubMed, and then whenever you are searching for something in here, inside PubMed, you'll be able to see your article actually pop up in here inside the search results, and that means you've successfully published to PubMed. However, as I said, it's unfortunately not possible to do it manually via the platform itself. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.